Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video on, oh my gosh, my hair looks like a hot ass mess. Ignore me. Today we're going to be doing a video on this little makeup tutorial, and all of the products are under $10. Yes, I'm not kidding. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. Actually, even all the brushes are mainly under $10, I believe, because it's mainly Eco Tools, Real Techniques, ELF, all of that sort of stuff. So if you like the way this turned out by the end of the video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video below, and let's just go ahead and get started. Literally, my camera just stopped recording. I don't know why, so I literally have to start all over again. Yay, Monday! Also cut my finger on a fan. Like, how does that even happen, you know? So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this ELF Hydrating Primer for the dry spots on my face. And we're going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte on my T-zone because I get oily. And we're going to be using the Wet n Wild Focus Foundation because it's one of my all-time fave foundations. I'm going to blend it out with this ELF Blurring Foundation Brush. Now we're going to do concealer. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light. Brighten up those under eyes. Now we're gonna go in with my ELF HD setting powder. I love this stuff. It's one of my all-time favorite powders to use, even over high-end powders. So I'm gonna set the oily parts of my skin. Now we're going to go in with my NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. Literally going to keep getting up like after every product, and I'm going to make sure it's still recording because I'm not trying to do this a third time. Next, we're going to be going in with my Wet n Wild Contouring Palette, and we're going to use a NYX contouring brush. Then we're going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Matte Blush in the shade Nude. This is one of my all-time favorite blushes to use. So affordable and so pigmented. Oh my gosh. I need to get some new drawers. My makeup's a mess. I need to stop buying makeup, or I need to get more storage. Now we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in Golden Lights. The packaging is actually broke on this, but I love it. Just the packaging is not very sturdy, but again, very affordable. Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe brush, and just, it's more precise. I like it to really pop right here. So I always go in with that more precise brush. I just really like the way it looks. 10 minutes in, we're still going strong. Actually, we are not done with my face makeup, my bad. One more thing, I'm going to carve out my contour with this Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Oh shoot, I forgot to contour my nose. Oh my god. Now we're going to be using NYX Avant Pop palette. The only thing I do not have under $10 is my eyeshadow primer. I'm sure there's an eyeshadow primer that's good out there under $10. I just kind of forgot about that. So I'm still using my Urban Decay one. I go in with this kind of peachy neutral shade right here. And I hope this isn't too deep of a shade for the next transition, but we're working with what we got. This brown shade right there. Now we're going to be going in with this deep kind of purpley tone, put that in the outer V. Going back into that peachy shade, we're just going to in around the edges. Now we're going to be taking this pink shade right here, and we're going to go in on the lid with this Naked 2 brush. And we're just gonna pat it all over the lid. So pretty in my opinion. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, we are all blended and everything. So now we are going to put on the eyeliner, my famous wing liner that I do literally every day with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom and do this because I have to stand up. If y'all have been watching me, I've said this like a million times, but I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on mascara. We're going to be using the Mega Plush Volume Express by Maybelline. Love this. Honestly, I want to get the one by Essence that like everybody raves about, but every time I go in and try to get it, it's always sold out. I'm just gonna go in with the same brush we used in the crease, get that deep purple and smudge it out. Alrighty, now we're going to do my eyelashes. We're going to try out these Salon, I don't even remember what they were called. They're only $2 at Walmart. I thought they were super pretty. I don't remember what brand they were, but I do remember they were literally $2. So I hope that helps you out. Using Duo Lash Glue. I believe that's only like $5, or it might not even be $5, maybe $3. I think it's really good, keeps your lashes on, all that good stuff. That all done, I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara to the tips of these lashes, so they stick out a little bit more. Now let's move on to brows. We're going to be using the NYX Tame and Frame Pomade. I don't know why, but my right eye always freaking waters. The inner corner. Not my left eye. It's never my left eye. It's always my right eye. I don't understand. Okay, now we're going to be using my Essence Tame and Frame. I actually got a different shade in this. I forgot to mention it in my last video. I did a little haul. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it up here. And in the description box, I got the darker shade Brownie Brows, because I really like my brows to be dark, and I can like pull it off for sure because the roots of my hair are super dark. So yeah. I love this for filling the rest of like my eyebrows in, and it honestly sets my brows in place very well as well. Pigmented. The darker colors are definitely more pigmented, but for $4, it's amazing. I'm gonna go in with my NYX brow pencil in the shade Taupe and just kind of fix the places that need a little bit more defining. Right, now we're going to use some of my favorite brushes ever. They come in a set, and we're going to just kind of try to shape out those eyebrows. We're going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand, and we're just going to kind of carve out the brows, so to say. Final product we are going to use is, I don't know what's going to look good. I'm going to use Tempting Toffee, the shade 255, and it's a CoverGirl lipstick. That is all I have for you today. If you liked this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share below. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, so make sure to turn on that notification bell so you know when my videos go up. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!